Hello everyone, welcome back to new class. Today we will start chapter 12 pronouns. So a pronoun is a word used in a place of noun. Like she, her means if suppose this is a girl, her name is Veena, right? But if we say she means it's Veena, right? So she and her is pronoun, and there are so many kinds of pronouns, personal pronouns, and here you can see some first person for Ivy, and second person you, third person he, she, it, they. There are so many nouns. Just see this box properly and you have to learn it. Now if you see the exercise, write the personal pronouns in the following sentences in proper columns. Now we have some sentences here. You have to find out first person, second person and third person pronoun. First one is we do not care for what he says to us. Now here first person is we, us. There is no second person. Third person is he. Please better read all this so that you will understand what is first person, second person and third person. See, let me just explain quickly. First person is if we talk about ourselves, right? Like I, me, mine, we, us, ours. Second person if you're talking to someone else, you, yours, right? These are. And third person is like who is not present in the conversation, like he, right? He, she, it, they, him, her, them. These are all called the third person. Now see the second one. Will you tell us your views on this problem? Us first, you second. There is no third person. He asked me, is this shirt yours or mine? Me, mine first, yours second, he third. Fourth, you congratulated us for the good work we had done. Us, we first, you second. There is no third person. You need not worry, she can do it alone. No first person, second person you, and third person she, it. Next exercise is rewrite the following using pronouns in the place of the underlined nouns. Okay, now see. First is Ashok and Dilip are brothers. Ashok and Dilip are my cousins. I love Ashok and Dilip are very much. Now if you read this sentence, you will be like, why we are using Ashok and Dilip again and again? Obviously we have to use some pronoun in place of these underlined words. So how will you write? Ashok and Dilip are brothers. They, we have used they. They are my cousins and I love them very much. Second one, I will see only answers. When the dog saw the stranger, it, in place of the dog we have used it, began to bark at him in place of him. Tara is a dancer. Last night she, in place of Tara we use she, danced so well that everybody praised her. Sunil has a number of books. They contain stories. They. They. But he does not lend them to anyone. Arjun invited to Jaya to his birthday. She presented him a watch. It was an expensive one. He liked it very much and thanked her for the beautiful present. Now we will move to next exercise. It is called M. Pick out the pronouns in the following sentence and write them in proper columns. Now there are some categories: personal pronouns, demonstrative, interrogative, reflexive and emphasizing pronoun. They hid themselves behind a bush. So they is personal pronouns. There is no any demonstrative, interrogative. Reflexive is themselves, right? Themselves. Ours is the last house of the street. Ours is personal. There is no demonstrative. Third one is, just read the sentence and here what is interrogative. Read the fourth one. Personal is them, demonstrative is these. Read the fifth one, who is interrogative pronoun. In the sixth one, reflexive pronoun is itself. Seventh one, I is personal pronoun and emphasizing is myself. Next is eighth, she is personal and herself is emphasizing. In the ninth, you is personal and yourself is emphasizing. Last one, your and me is personal and yourself in emphasizing. Now here fill in the blanks from a reflexive pronoun. She corrected herself immediately. Now for she we use herself, right? It will be right. I hurt myself in an accident. She presented himself at the clinic. Which you should be blame yourself. Children, you will hurt yourself, because children means plural, that's why we have written SELEVES. The fox hurt itself. We enjoyed ourselves. They said themselves, right? VES. Next is fill in the blanks with suitable possessive pronouns. This is my room. This room is mine. This is our pet. This pet is ours. See, my will become mine. Our has become ours. These crayons belong to him. These crayons are his. Children, these books are you. They are yours. That is their school. That school is theirs. This is her doll. This doll is hers. Next is this your pen? Is this pen yours? This is my painting. This painting is mine. This car is his. This book is yours. Next is possessive pronouns. These shoes belong to her. These shoes are hers. He owns his garden. This garden is his. These are his tools. These tools are his. That frog is yours. This dog is hers. These toys are ours. These fields are theirs. That geometry box is mine. Now here we have to use the suitable pronoun. Papa brought these books for Arshia. They are hers. Ask her to take them to her room. Some rooms give a beautiful view to my valley. They are all booked. That's how you have to do all the fill-ups. Just do it. If you have any confusion, you can ask. You have already notes. Next is tick the correct pronouns. We shall invite her. They enjoyed themselves. I have seen him. It is your duty, not mine. She herself. I am going to my house. You should go to yours. Puneet and I. Is it my bag or yours? You should blame yourself. We should not blame them. The mistake is ours.